Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Heather. Today I'm going to go over how I prep for a challenge. So like I said in my last video, I plan on doing the Tone It Up Summer Tone Up. This year it's going from May 11th through June 21st. So it's a 6-week challenge. They have a meal plan, workouts that you follow. Everything is laid out for you and then you just follow along with it. If you have an Instagram account, I highly recommend you follow me there because I will be posting a lot throughout the challenge. So I've got my notes here and I am going to go over how I prepare for a Tone It Up challenge. One thing I do is I prepare my workout space. So right here, obviously I have the TV. This is where I stream all of the workouts. I have a Google Chromecast on the side, and I also have a Roku down there. Up here is where I have my schedule of my workouts for the week. Right here is basically the media center / workout equipment or accessories. So I have my stereo in here. It obviously doesn't fit, but I made it fit and it works. Here are all my dumbbells. I have everything from 2 pounds all the way up to 12 pounds now. I bought that extra 12-pounder set. Down here I have all my water bottles, discs, or my gliders, or whatever you want to call it. I have this little ball here that I use sometimes, not too much. And then the air pumpers to pump this ball and also this ball. I've got my booty band. I've got some workout gloves. These are weighted, and then these are just regular gloves for when I'm lifting. And then I have some wipes for when I'm sweating and need to wipe that extra sweat off, or if I'm wearing makeup, I'll use these wipes before I work out. And then I have all of my Kathy videos. Kathy has been a godsend during this quarantine. Kathy has some great workouts. I obviously love Tone It Up, but Kathy takes the workouts to the next level. I've burned close to 900 calories doing some of her workouts. I like this quote, "Motivation is what gets you started. Commitment is what keeps you going." And I need to change this calendar because it's not April anymore, but here's my calendar. I write my workouts down, plan them out at least. I've also got lighter kettlebell, my Tone It Up yoga mat. I've got some weights for my barbell here. This is from Kathy Friedrich. This is her Fit Tower. I do use it quite a bit actually. I like to use this as like a bar. It has these clamps on the sides so you can place your barbell on it for when you're doing like a weight workout. I also like to use it for like a balance contraption, like when I'm stretching after working out, I'll hold on to it if I need help with balancing. You can also use it as like a pull-up bar. You kneel down and then you can do pull-ups on it. And there's all sorts of things. You can adjust this so it's higher or lower, same with these. There's another heavier kettlebell. My wall of lights is great for like yoga workouts at night or meditations or just for fun. And of course I have some full-length mirrors here to check my form or to take selfies for Instagram, whatever. I have my exercise ball and then risers for my step. I do a lot of step workouts, so that definitely comes in handy. Another step I like to do is to organize my workout clothes. So when I moved into my new house, I kind of just threw everything into drawers and kind of haphazardly put everything in no sort of order or anything. Every time I open the drawers, it stresses me out.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe. Striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret.
Okay, I am done. So the top has all of my sports bras and my workout socks. Next drawer, I have sleeveless shirts. Next drawer is my short sleeve shirts. Next is my long sleeve shirts. I only have a few. Then I have my shorts. And then my pants. And I have capri style pants over here. Another thing I like to do is organize and stock my fridge and my pantry. The last few weeks during the stay-at-home order, I have not been doing the best as far as food. My fridge is a disaster. My pantry is a disaster. I didn't really organize my pantry either when I moved in. I kind of just threw things in there and have since added, so it's just chaotic in there. Another thing I like to do is organize my music or my playlists in Spotify. If you have a Spotify account, I recommend following Tone It Up. They have great playlists. They have everything basically, and I like to follow a lot of their playlists. I also have a playlist of my own that I created, and I bought Kathy Friedrich's Step Boss series. Someone on the forums, in the Kathy Friedrich forums, actually posted a lot of the music, the songs, and where they came from, and I searched Spotify and created a playlist. Another thing that I like to do is create sort of schedule or routine, anything to just keep you focused on what you need to get done. Tone It Up in their app has the schedule all laid out for the workouts. That part is done. I don't need to worry about it. However, I am going to add Kathy Friedrich workouts. A lot of the Tone It Up workouts are toning workouts, and I feel like I need to lose a lot of weight, so I need to add a little bit more cardio than what they have. So I need to tack on maybe some 30 to 45 minute Kathy Friedrich cardio workouts. Another thing that I'm doing is creating a bedtime routine. Throughout this pandemic, I have been going to bed later and later every night. Mostly it's just me sitting on my phone, rolling through Instagram, YouTube, all of that, and that needs to stop. I'm creating a bedtime routine, and I will try to share that with you in a future video. I'm kind of perfecting it right now. Once that's perfected, I will share with you my nighttime routine. And then the final thing, obviously, is to create goals. I'm not going to share my goals with you in this video. I've got a video coming out within the next couple days, and I will share my before pictures, measurements, and my goals for the 6-week challenge. That's all I have for you today. I hope that you found this video useful. When it comes to weight loss, I feel like it's best to be prepared. It's best to create a schedule and a routine. It just makes things easier for you. Weight loss is hard. You don't need to make it harder on yourself by not being prepared. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.